Domestic model, why no fender, leaf lining too much S. I happen to have one better than Tesla store. Nice to meet you again. Next, this issue is about fender. What about this fender? Marked installation position. Its material is also very good. Not afraid of the impact of the sediment. Before installation, turn that wheel all the way to the left. Remove the buckle from it. Get this in. Then plug this side directly in. Hidden. Fix with the upper buckle. The installation is also very simple. The back is also a buckle, which can be clamped T. Domestic model, why no fender, leaf lining too much S. I happen to have one better than Tesla.